One sunny morning, George the farmer walked to the river. "Oh no," he cried, "the bridge is broken. I can't cross to my fields." George heard a splash. He looked down and saw a little beaver swimming. "Hello there," said George. "Who are you?" "I'm Benny the Beaver," said the beaver proudly. "I build things with wood and mud." George smiled. "Maybe you can help me fix my bridge." "I know just what to do," he said. "Let's work together, George." Benny and George went into the forest. They carried sticks, logs, and branches to the river. Benny showed George how to build strong bridges. George learned quickly and helped too. That night, dark clouds covered the sky. The rain came down hard. "Oh no," said George. "Will the bridge be okay?" In the morning, they went to see the bridge. It was still standing. Benny's design was strong and safe. George walked across carefully. "It's perfect," he said with a big smile. Benny clapped his little paws. From that day on, Benny and George worked together often. They were best friends forever. Moral of the story: working together makes hard jobs easier, and friends make every task more fun.